Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm just going to tell you that how to delete your archives on Instagram, either it's a story or it's a post. So just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and go to your profile section, and in the profile section just simply tap on the three lines on the top right corner, and here you can see the option of archive, or you can simply tap on your activity. And here you can also see the option of archive. Just simply tap on this option, and then here it will show all of your archived stories. If you want to just delete a permanent archive story, just simply select this story and simply tap on the three lines, and here you can see the option of delete. Just simply tap on delete in order to delete a archived story. Just tap on delete to continue. That's how you can easily delete your archived stories. So if you want to delete your archived post, just simply tap on this drop down menu on the top and click on post archive, and then here it will show all of your archived posts on Instagram. And in order to delete it, the same method which we have done previously for stories, so you can also delete it with the same method for the post. So that's how you can easily delete your archives on Instagram. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below, and I'll be catch you in the next video. And I would recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys.